basically what student council does exactly is kind of run a lot of the assemblies, a lot of the initiatives that goes on, and a lot of the fundraisers too.
The goal is just to build some school spirit, and we've got an incredible group with STUCO that's really bought into that, led by Miss Aust, and they've done a fabulous job of just trying to make this place feel like a family for kids.
Students need to feel like they belong, and here at the junior high, every single student has a team. So maybe they aren't in athletics, maybe they don't have time after school to do esports or art club. From the first day they're here, they're a part of a team, and they can be celebrated on that team. They can gather together and cheer for a common cause.
It's about recognizing each other. It's about recognizing everything that's going on. We do sports teams, we do academics, we do portrait of a graduate, we do drama, we do speech, we do choir and band. We try really hard to focus on the positive because we really believe that what you focus on grows. And so by highlighting everything that our staff and students are doing, it really makes the kids see that this is really the best place to be.
I think the students have bought in because the teachers and the staff have bought in.
Can't even imagine going to any school after I've came to Ozark and just seeing the fun that every teacher, oozes. It's just amazing. You know, it's a nice, fun day. It's something you look forward to at the end of the month.
I don't exactly know the reason of why it's just so successful. There's just like a hidden feeling of just all the fun inside of the assemblies. And I remember before I joined student council in 7th grade, doing the games were just so fun.
But it's not just that, it's also pairing it with like a service project. That's been the cool thing to celebrate. You know, Rescue One, the Dollars for Ducks that we did, for veterans, getting to recognize our veterans through over 1,000 letters that we got to send to Walter Reed Medical Center. And then at Christmas time too, the presents that we get to, that kids bring in and we get to share with local charities. It's just helping kids see that, not only are we celebrating each other and getting to make this place feel like a family, but we're recognizing the importance of giving back and supporting our community.
I think that it's very successful because we will put, we did presents and we put all of the stuff that we have on the stage, and it is a big amount that we are donating to the community. And I think when we raise this awareness for other people, the students then realize, oh yeah, I am less or more fortunate than the other less fortunate, and so they want to give back to their community.
When we did the Isabel House charity, we raised a good $3,000 and that is amazing for Ozark. And I just think when people know where the money's going, they're more giving.
That's part of the big criteria is focusing on others, because I think so many times it gets overlooked, and especially at this age, it's important to look outwards.
This couldn't have happened without the buy-in from kids and the buy-in from STUCO with Miss Aust. And and then too, you get teachers that want to buy in and be a part of it too, and it really takes everybody jumping in. And I couldn't be more proud of our building, the adults and the kids, for just buying in and helping to make this a great place for everybody.